Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Services Catalog template and explore its contents. To install Services Catalog, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, give your employees a one-stop shop of their digital services, saving them valuable time for more important tasks. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Pages section from Admin Home. Locate and select the Services Catalog page. The page contains a list block with a filter to only display navigation items with the Service Catalog content category assigned. Using the Searchable navigation template, populate this list block with navigation items on the Navigation Items page. This might mean making changes to existing items or creating new ones. Once configured, head back to the Services Catalog page and check out your display. In this example, we have customized the page background and the rich text block containing the banner. Once you have the basics, consider categorizing your content further by persona and country. And when ready, think about making the Services Catalog page easier to find using menus. Congratulations, you successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.